Very windy. Got the wing strut repaired. And gonna fly it. Cowl somewhat needed. Yeah, okay.
Oh, good. It is definitely lift up there.
Yep, the more wind, the less flaps you want. Right when you get on the ground, put those flaps up. Keep crabbing it. There you go. Nice.
First non-crash landing.
Hey, you got it.
Oh, I made it.
Congratulations.
Alright, your turn. Okay.
I'm gonna do no flaps. Taking off, left to right. Oh my. She doesn't need any help. She's a lazy flyer.
Pat Tritle flyer. You Ira lad?
Alright, we're gonna try and land here.
There you go. Nice.
Woo. Now taxiing it back would be the other way.
That looks really good. Watch out for the mole holes. You know, it's tougher up here in Alaska.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Die down.
Ooh, not good, Ethan. I heard it.